Hi folks, this is a tutorial on how I get into drag. I'm putting black on my eyeballs, so that's fun because I always put on guy liner these days. I haven't put on any foundation yet because I get this crap all over me. I know, this is a good look. Let's leave it like that. I makeup wipe the excess because I get it everywhere. This stuff is extremely pigmented. Probably need to add a bit more. There we go, close enough. Now, what other color? I usually go purple. I'm just gonna go purple. Just around it. Because why the heck not? Purple's a great color. I got cat hair on my brush though. Then I put just lighter stuff. I'm gonna go with pink around the edges tonight. Again, this is just for guy eyeballs. If guys do their makeup, it's usually just like, you know, guy liner. And they just shove it on. So I don't do a lot of eyeliner when I do guy makeup anymore. It tends to look better. I'm using this Jeffree Star palette, just so you know. Okay, good enough. Okay, foundation's on. I'm listening to the song I'm performing tonight. Just gonna do some contouring. Just making a hint of the, you know, ridge bone that dudes have. I don't know. I just follow my cheekbone and then do that to get this little crease that are in dudes' faces. Please excuse me, I'm listening to the same song like a lot more. Life of a drag performer. I contour my nose too. That's pretty good. You guys are gonna learn this song with me. You'll be back. I'm just adding a little white for effect. Just for fun, really. Kicks and giggles. Time to fill in the eyebrows because I need them to show up. Guys naturally have bigger eyebrows, but I usually don't go that big because I'm very girly. Which is very ironic that I'm a drag king, because I'm super girly. Interesting. Just gonna highlight my nose a bit. Gonna put on some, what's it called, eyelashes. I'll be back. Okay, I put on eyelashes. Had a little bit of white right here, just for kicks and giggles. And now I'm going to put on my beard, which is the fun part. So I'm just getting, again, eyeshadow. I'm using purple. Purple's my favorite color besides green. So it's usually on my face somewhere. A lot of people, a lot of kings totally forget about the bottom of your chin. Guys' beards go all the way down. So put it all the way down. Sometimes they go down their neck, like way down there. I don't go that far. Let's have it go all the way up today. I'm running low on time. Par for the course. I love this song. So I map it out here, so when I put the hair on, it should be just fine. Getting purple everywhere though. Wash my hands constantly. Okay. Now for the fun part. Hair. Okay, I cut up a bunch of hair. I just cut it up It's a wig hair, and I just cut it. It's got to be really fine hair. I need to add some glitter now. I just have a bag of glitter, literally a bag of glitter that I'm going through. So I have a glitter beard. I cannot tell you the amount of people that think I put glitter in my beard. They didn't get the drag king memo. And then I get my eyelash glue. I just spent 40 bucks on eyelash glue yesterday. Drag is not cheap. So then whoa, hello messy. And then you just smear it around. You just place it on your face. It's messy. Very. Bio glitter's the best. If you can get some of that. And then I do the other side. Looks good, huh? Alright, here we go. Other side. It's a little off. Usually don't do this with the shirt on, but I'm filming, so you're welcome. Gotta have it the same on both sides. Alright, so I use this stuff because I sweat a lot during the shows. So I use spirit gum. I would not recommend using spirit gum if you're just doing this for fun or something. Just continue to use eyelash glue. This stuff is, unless you have remover, it's hard to get off. No, I try not to inhale it when I do this. I inhale more hair. Almost done. With my face, that is. Oh, I got time. Now, if I had hairspray, I would hairspray myself and then pat some more hair here. My hairspray's at the club. So, I'm going to do that there. I just inhaled some of my beard hair. Okay, next step will be duct taping. I'm not going to show you that process. I think I'll just show you the final process, if that's fine. Okay, I'm back. So I've duct taped everything. Duct taped. Fun times. I use all-weather duct tape. Don't do that. Use trans tape if you have sensitive skin. Anyway, now I draw on my pecs. Just using eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow. Tricky part is getting it in the middle. It just goes down, kind of outlines your own chest. Getting them to line up is also hard. I just try to blend it as much as possible. That's all. Just to give the illusion of pecs. This one's always weird. I don't know why. Now, I would put hair at the top, but again, my hairspray's at Myrna's, so I'll do that there with my hair in a baggie. Looks like pecs, doesn't it? There's a hairspray to set it, or if you have setting spray that works too. My setting spray's out, so I'm gonna have to use hairspray today. That works. People always try to rub my chest off during the show. It's very funny. Sometimes they're successful. Can't forget this little divot in guys' chests they have. I don't paint in abs because I'm too thick for that. So Hank doesn't have abs. This is Hank, and then I just put on the shirt. Okay, it'll hide all of the duct tape. There we go. And I'll hide this part here with hair that I'll put on later. I hope you have enjoyed my makeup tutorial. Just gotta do my hair and then get to the club and do a show.